I stood in ash with my head hung low, my heart weighed down by things I know. Have mercy, Lord, in your boundless grace. Wash me clean, let me see your face. Create in me a heart brand new, a spirit steadfast, shining true. Cast me not from where you stay, restore my joy and light my way. Against you, Lord, alone I've sinned. In shadows deep where light grows thin, but truth you seek in the hidden place. Wisdom born of love, enlighten my way. Create in me a heart brand new, a spirit steadfast, shining true. Cast me not from where you stay, restore my joy and light my way. A broken spirit you won't despise. No offering stands with hollow eyes. Your mercy binds the wounds I bear. Your love redeems beyond despair. Create in me a heart brand new, a spirit steadfast, shining true. Cast me not from where you stay, restore my joy and light my way. Create in me a heart brand new, a spirit steadfast, shining true. Cast me not from where you stay, restore my joy and light my way. Whisper falls upon the breeze, softly calling hearts to peace. The mountain speaks the truth we need, lifting souls to be set free. Blessed are the poor in spirit here, for heaven's kingdom will draw near. Blessed are they who weep and mourn, for joy shall rise where hearts are torn. Meek shall stand where power fades, the earth their treasure never swayed. Hunger grows for righteous ways, they'll be filled through endless days. Mercy flows like rivers wide, the pure shall see the Father's light. Peace is sown where love is grown, never lost, those seeds are sown. Blessed are the poor in spirit here, for heaven's kingdom will draw near. Blessed are the they who weep and mourn, for joy shall rise where hearts are torn. treasure never sway. Hunger grows for righteous ways, will be filled through endless days, through endless days. Blessed are the poor in spirit here, for heaven's kingdom will draw near. Blessed are they who weep and mourn, for joy shall rise where hearts are torn. For joy shall rise where hearts are torn. Mercy flows like rivers wide. The pure shall see the Father's light. Peace is sown where love is grown, never lost, those seeds are sown. A whisper falls upon the breeze, softly calming hearts to peace. The mountain speaks the truth we need, lifting souls to be set free. Blessed are the poor in spirit here, for heaven's kingdom will draw near. Blessed are they who weep and mourn, for joy shall rise where hearts are torn. Meek shall stand where power fades, the earth their treasure never sway. Hunger grows for righteous ways, they'll be filled through endless days. Mercy flows like rivers wide, the pure shall see the Father's light. Peace is sown where love is grown, never lost, those seeds are sown. Blessed are the poor in spirit here, for heaven's kingdom will draw near. Blessed are they who weep and mourn, for joy shall rise where hearts are torn. Blessed are the hearts who bear the weight of truth, the world won't care, rejoice, for great their treasure be in heaven's arms for all to see. Hearts are torn. Meek shall stand where power fades, the earth their treasure never sway. Hunger grows for righteous ways, will be filled through endless days, through endless days. Blessed are the poor in spirit here, for heaven's kingdom will draw near. Blessed are they who weep and mourn, for joy shall rise where hearts are torn. Where joy shall rise where hearts are torn. Mercy flows like rivers wide, the pure shall see the Father's light. Peace is sown where love is grown. How sweet it is when we're together, the bond of love no force can sever. Like all the flows on Aaron's head, blessings pour where feet have tread. Behold How good, how pleasant it be for brethren to dwell in harmony, like dew descending on a whisper of peace, a sacred air, a holy rest, a quiet prayer, a unity the heavens admire. A sacred air, a holy rest, a quiet prayer, a unity the heavens admire, a flame that burns but won't expire. Oil runs down like rivers of gold, the purest love the ancients foretold, like dew of Hermon refreshing the land, a promise of grace from God's own hand.
my move.
We're dancing in choices in the heat of the night, but I'm holding my freedom, I know what feels right.
Body and soul, they are one I see. Not made for hunger but divinity. Each beat a blessing, each step set free. I rise in freedom, won't you dance with me? Yeah. Some chase indulgence, but I won't lose my frame. Not all that tempts me can carry no lasting flame.
I walk the good drums, I control my domain. I'm guided by wisdom, not reckless gain.
Body and soul, they are one I see. Not made for hunger but divinity. Each beat a blessing, each step set free. I rise in freedom, won't you dance with me? Yeah. Your body's a temple, let it shine so high. Every move you make, let purpose amplify. Lift your voice, your heart, let the rhythm reply. Oh, we're meant for more, rise above the sky. Body and soul, they are one I see. Not made for hunger but divinity. Each beat a blessing, each step set free. I rise in freedom, won't you dance with me? The battle we fight is not of the flesh. Powers unseen, but they bring the test. Tearing down strongholds, we won't regress. Truth is our shield as we face the quest. Mighty weapons not born of man, taking thoughts captive to heaven's plan. Come with the word in our hearts, we'll stand, pulling down lies with God's own hand. Every thought raised up against the throne, we'll demolish it and make it known that the truth is here, a holy tone, bringing light into the shadow zone. Mighty weapons not born of man, taking thoughts captive to heaven's plan. Come with the word in our hearts, we'll stand, pulling down lies with God's own hand. Demolish darkness, lift the veil. His power within us will never fail. Chains are shattered, voices will hail. Truth shines bright, the cities will tell. Mighty weapons not born of man, taking thoughts captive to heaven's plan. Come with the word in our hearts, we'll stand, pulling down lies with God's own hand. The battle we fight is not of the flesh. Powers unseen, but they bring the test. Tearing down strongholds we won't regress. Truth is our shield as we face the quest. Mighty weapons, not